Hi guys, what's good? Welcome back to my mother freaking channel. So I want to give a Kawaii Gang shout out to Sasha, Jaylene, Boo Boo Ho, Maya, Manicures, and Lola Marrero Vlog. Thank you guys so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Thank you so much to everyone who tries to make it to these videos. So this is the polygel kit from MAKARTT that we're using today. It's actually not a kit. There's 3 colors in this, so I would consider this to be like an add-on polygel set to just use with your existing polygel kit that you already might have. So we're gonna just use all these colors. So I'm not gonna swatch them, we're gonna use all of them. One of them is white, one of them is pink, like baby pink, and one is kind of like a nude. I'm working on my Red Iguana silicone hand today. And in order to put forms on this silicone hand, I have to put tape around the finger because silicone kind of repels any sort of sticky surface, so the stickiness of my nail forms just won't stick to the hand. So if you also have this hand, here's a trick for you. By the way, I have to apologize, y'all. I guess there's gonna be a hurricane coming through Houston soon, and it's like thundering like crazy right now, so if you hear any thunder, that's what that is. And yeah, sorry about it. So I wanted to try 2 different methods for these nail forms today. I wanted to try using base coat gel to create kind of like a tip. So I'm taking this base coat gel that I received in the Burano polygel kit I reviewed in the last video. I'll have that video linked in the cards. So just click that little eye in the upper right hand corner to see that video. So I just put 2 layers of it right on the free edge all the way down to the end of the form. I flash cured between each layer, and then I stuck it in my lamp to get a full cure. And when it comes to me flash curing, you guys are gonna see me flash curing all the time, but never think that that's all I do. After flash curing off screen, I do a full cure. I just don't show it in the video, obviously, but definitely you have to fully cure between all these steps. When I flash cure, it's mostly just so that the product doesn't move to the left or the right or shift around as I'm moving the fingers or as I'm sticking the hand in the lamp, because I just don't have time for those types of accidents, and I'm super like crazy about it now. So on this finger, I'm doing an ombre blend using the white, and then I'll use the nude going down. On the next finger, it's gonna be a solid pink nail. The finger after that is going to be a solid white nail, and then the pinky finger is going to be a French using these 2 colors as well. On the ombre and on the French, I'm capping with the clear Qikgels that came in those like Qikgel kits. I noticed that this finger had a bit of yellowing, like this white tip ended up looking yellow by the final result. I don't know if it's because I over cured, because that yellowing didn't happen to the French tip nail. I think it might, the only thing that makes sense is that it got over cured. So that's just something to note. Going forward, I probably won't cap with it anymore. But yeah, everything I used today will be linked down below. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the application. I just wanted to do something really simple so we can just look at these colors. I think they're so pretty. They remind me of like makeup or like highlighters. If you guys remember the MAKARTT Mermaid Gel Polish set, it reminds me of that too. I guess that's why they call it Mermaid Polygels. I'm surprised I haven't really seen anyone using these. I think these are really like slept on, or no one's noticed them. I think they're so pretty. It reminded me of something bridal as well, which is why I ended up doing the design that I did. You guys, when we get to the when we get to the 3D flower section of the video, I'll talk to y'all about that. But yeah, I decided to just go full bridal, but kind of with like a fantasy twist to it. I just felt like very, if I were an elf and I was having a wedding, this is what my nails would look like kind of moment. So yeah, I'll pop back in after the filing. When I do file though, I'm using some new hand files and buffers from MAKARTT as well, so it's just a very MAKARTT day today.
with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fencing brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. I'm not that girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh, baby, I don't need love. Hey, hey. 'Cause I love, I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fencing brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, I'm telling goodbye.
Alright, so this is the top coat so we can see the final result. I really do love these. However, I notice when it comes to designs like this French cutout, you don't really see that smile line so much because there's so much just like shininess and pearlescent going on. Another thing is you might want to cap these designs instead of building them up really high and filing through them later. Instead, it might be better to just apply them very thin and then cap them, because I noticed when I filed through those two solid nails, they kind of had like this weird jagged appearance. So this is me just kind of practicing with some 3D roses. I have never really done roses like this. I usually just do those like 5-petal flowers when it comes to 3D flowers. This was so extremely challenging for me, you guys. I got done with the full set around, not the full set, but the 4 fingers. I got finished doing these nails around maybe like 10 a.m. and I didn't finish filming this video until like 1. So I probably spent a good 2 hours just on the flowers itself. I don't know what I was going through that made me feel like I just wanted to spend so much time on it. I think I could tell that I was struggling with it. I could tell that this was something I was definitely not used to. I was looking at a reference image, so I highly suggest if you're new to this, find a reference image of some roses that you like how the person made them, and just try to like replicate it. I don't know very many tutorials that do stuff like this, although I haven't really taken a good look for any. So I don't really feel super confident to teach you guys how to do 3D flowers until I feel like I've actually mastered it. But I decided to just leave the footage in anyways. But the acrylics I'm using is like a baby pink and a purple from MODELONES. I'll be showing these acrylics in a lot more detail in an upcoming video because I received a ton of new acrylic colors from them and I'm so excited. I'm using the red monomer, and this is a Crystal Nails 3D nail art brush. I love this brush. I felt like it worked really well. It's kind of on the big side. So I'm just using all this stuff to do my 3D art, and then after that I'll top coat around just for like bringing back the shine, because all the acrylic was just rubbing all over the nail. It kind of made the nail a little bit matte in certain places. Then I'll just stick some stones on.
what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you never even try to be. Okay, I bet you. Okay, I bet you. Okay, I bet you. Okay, I bet you. Okay.
So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know down below what you guys think of these products. Would you try out this MAKARTT kit? What do you guys think of the design and the roses? Let me know y'all's tips for the roses. If y'all know any tutorials that helped you guys do roses better, definitely the link. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much to my patrons. Bye.